You know it. Alam mo, alam mo. Kuya yan eh.
Once again, let's go Jollibee! Rose Ayan naman, Christina guys, a very special award. Ang birthday ni Maria. Hello, Mrs. Special. Kaya pamili ko ang Mommy. Of course, sending tayo sa kanilang picture. Kasama, balik. Okay, picture mo na yung Mommy. Mommy Hazel. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Kaya naman, sabay-sabay natin ganawan si Harry. Happy birthday in 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
Happy birthday to you.
birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you. Sing ka. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sabay-sabay natin mag-iyan si Harry. Happy birthday in 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday.
Close your eyes. Make your ears shut and blow the candle in 3, 2, 1. Once again, happy birthday, Ayan, sana pala naman hinahanong Baby ko. Ayan, sobrang magiyak ang ating best friend Jollibee ay nag-ready ng kanyang gifts exclusive from Jollibee Kids Party, ha? Jollibee lang. Basta may black movie. At hindi basta-basta nasisira hanggang hindi mo binabato. Kaya naman, Henry, pagkaingatan mo yan para kahit saan ka kasama mo ang best friend. Jollibee. Again, Jollibee lang. Yes. Ayan. Kaya naman kay Nicole on Althea and Amelia dito sa harapan. You're in front. Okay, unahin natin si Amelia. What's your birthday wish for Henry?
My birthday wish is for him to be a millionaire when he grows up.
Sana all.
So he doesn't like
Accent.
and Henry to have a loving heart when he grows up and be very kind to everyone.
Once again, Amelia, of course, ang kanilang ate. Althea, what's your birthday wish to your younger sibling, Henry?
Get up to truck from off the truck.
Anything, any birthday wish?
Oh,
Get him to go into a monster truck.
Yan talaga yung wish na. Yan talaga. Of course, Mami Hazel, birthday wish po para sa inyong bunsong anak na si Hen.
My wish for you is good health as always. And like your sister said,
Ayan.